Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the Ehrenfest dog flea thought experiment. So Ehrenfest wanted to explain the second law of thermodynamics, and for that he took the example of two dogs and fleas. Initially, all the fleas are on dog 1 with no flea on dog 2. On the count of 1, we choose a number at random which can correspond to one of the fleas which is on either dog A or on dog B. What happens when you take a lot? What happens when a particular flea is chosen? That flea has to jump from its current dog onto the other dog. And how many times do we do this experiment? Until we attain what is called an equilibrium. Now we'll be seeing about the equilibrium. He expected that after a long time, whenever we choose the random flea to jump from its current host to a new host, we find that after a certain amount of time, there is equal probability of that flea being on either dog 1 or on dog 2. Which means that is the equilibrium position. Because we have an equal probability. We didn't start with an equilibrium because initially the number of fleas on dog 1 was much higher than the number of fleas on dog 2. And therefore there was an inclination that most of the fleas chosen were from dog 1. And where does it go? To a point where it attains an equilibrium when there is equal transfer of fleas from the first dog to the second and vice versa. This is exactly what we expect to happen when we keep a cup of coffee on a table for a long time. Initially the coffee was at a higher temperature. It has much higher thermal energy than the surrounding, and therefore initially most of the heat is transferred from the coffee to the surrounding. What happens after a long time when the coffee has cooled down sufficiently to the room temperature? Now there is equal transfer of thermal energy from the coffee to the surrounding and from the surrounding to the coffee. And this is the thermal equilibrium which is explained by an Ehrenfest through his thought experiment. Now we will try to simulate this experiment using Python. I'll be using a Jupyter notebook to explain how this can be done using Python. I already have an executed file. So this is the program. We are starting with two dogs, dog 1 and dog 2. They are given as lists, and we take 100 fleas, and what we do is in dog 1 we are appending 100 trues at the start. A true implies that a flea is on dog 1 and a false implies that a flea is not there. And initially for dog 2 I append all as false, and I am creating two counters which can count the number of fleas in the two dogs at various time instances. I am going to do this experiment 200 times which means I'm going to pick 200 random numbers to transfer a flea from one dog to the other. Now I'm creating a random number from 0 to the number of fleas minus 1. If there are 100 fleas, each flea is given a roll number which runs from 0 to 99. So that is what we aim to create here. And a random number is generated which will refer to one of the fleas present. What should I do if the flea is already in dog 1? It should leave dog 1 and it should move to dog 2. That is what I imply here. If not, if the flea is not present in dog 1, the flea should leave the dog 2 and it should reach dog 1. And I am now checking where the flea is present. Okay, I am running it over all the fleas in dog 1 to check how many fleas are on dog 1 and how many fleas are on dog 2. And I am doing this counter for each of the 200 times that I do this experiment. And this is what I get when I do this experiment. It tells me that initially I am only plotting the dog 1 count. All the 100 fleas are on dog 1. It decreases steadily and we find that there is a small glitch here, which means one of the fleas which has already come to dog 2 is now jumping back to dog 1. And the instances keep on increasing when we move down. And after this point we will find that we have attained a state of thermal equilibrium around 50, which is exactly half the number of fleas that we have considered. And this is the equilibrium state where the number of fleas are approximately equal in both the dogs. What happens when I increase the number of times I do the experiment? I do this say 1000 times. Is there any possibility of all the dogs skipping to dog 2? No, it starts from here. There is no going back this way. That doesn't happen, or going to 0 also doesn't happen. It decreases and it remains within a small region, and there is random fluctuation only around this equilibrium position. So this is what we aim to learn from this experiment. What happens during a thermodynamic process? This thermodynamic process is an irreversible process where at no instant in future can all the fleas move from dog 1 to dog 2. There is no state such that all the fleas are on dog 2 and no fleas on dog 1. That such a state is unattainable according to the law of thermodynamics. And this also implies that entropy is always on the rise. Initially there was order, then after some 10 to 20 turns there is lesser order and there is more disorder, because now we cannot exactly say which flea is on which dog. No information of the original state is now present.